Hi, third graders. It is Miss Snell again. I'm going to show you how to insert a video or insert your subtopics into this document to turn in for today. So you see where it says File? You go right there and you put Import Slide. So yesterday you worked on day 2 slides, and you are going to go to your day 2 in your here. Snell's going to click on it. It'll import slides. And you just want to import the one where you put your categories. And you're going to import that right there. And it should be right there for you. So that's all you need to do, because it will automatically take you to your Google Drive. Or you can use the slide that I've provided there as well to just copy on again. So again, because you're going to be taking notes into this document and submitting this document, you can insert it or use the blank one I have and just type again. Your choice, but that is how you would insert your document from yesterday. Easy peasy. I love Google. Bye.